dođe.
How are you? Please have a seat. Obzirom na kratkoću sastanka, a nas ima, kao što vidite, ovdje dosta zainteresovani za razgovor sa vama, mislim da bi bilo dobro da odmah pređemo na...
I usually use the plane from Vienna to Brussels at 7 o'clock in the morning. So.
Drobnić, dobrodošli jutros, vama dobrodošli u Crnu Goru. Drago nam je što imamo priliku da vas pozdravimo u današnje vaše posjeti.
Mr. Han, Mr. Trump.
Uvijek je ovo ranih sastanak, ali morat ćemo da mijenjamo navike.
As I said in the unofficial part, this is a very early meeting for the Montenegrin habits, but I guess we'll have to change.
Profesore, si rekao
Actually, I was in Brussels also the past couple of days. We had, when I met two of your fellow commissioners for regional policy and for fishery environment,
because it was one of my babies. I have to admit it was not originally my anticipating the fact that in 2014, this year, both are in the chair of the European Union, and I thought, or I think they might have thought it could be something which is positive, and I think it's positive. We managed finally.
It's a important document, important strategy, because it, I guess, opens the door for this region to be more active and more proactive.
Cooperation in terms, of course, of the very concrete projects which should be delivered, but also in terms of.
Pleasure to have you here, and thank you for your decision to visit us.
Thank you.
Welcome. Dobar dan.
Years ago, how important we see this accession negotiation.
Such approach is very significant for our region. I think it is so important to follow strategic economic project 2012 concerning among countries and to be in situation to use better economic atmosphere to continue political stability.
Gospodin komisare, dame i gospodo,
Commissioner, ladies and gentlemen,
dobrodošli u Crnu Goru, veliko mi zadovoljstvo da vas pozdravim u Vladi Crne Gore večerom.
it's a great.
Radujem se da ste ubrzo nakon formiranja Europske komisije i posjeti našem regionu.
I'm glad that so soon after formation, and especially that we are glad that you are here in Montenegro at this particular juncture.